Imagine waking up one day, years down the road, and realizing you've built a financial empire starting in your 20s. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the kicker. This isn't just a dream. It's entirely possible. Your 20s might feel like a whirlwind of discovery and uncertainty, but they present a unique opportunity that could set you up for life. Why? Because of the magic of time and the power of compounding. Starting early not only gives you the luxury of time, but leverages the compounding effect to work wonders with your money. Let's break it down. The key isn't just about saving, but about investing. You see, compound interest can exponentially grow your wealth. It means the interest your money earns starts earning interest too, like a snowball that gets bigger and bigger as it rolls downhill. If you start investing small amounts in your 20s, these account balances can swell remarkably by the time you hit retirement age. The earlier you start, the more profound this effect becomes. And get this, we're not just talking about throwing money in the bank. No, it's about smart investing and understanding market dynamics, which can amplify every dollar you lay down. That's the crux of building wealth in your 20s, a transformative process that could redefine your life's financial trajectory. Now, you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce to this whole investing thing? Well, it starts with education. In your 20s, you're in the prime position to absorb knowledge like a sponge and make it work for you. Educating yourself about different types of investments, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds, is crucial. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Let's talk specifics. Stocks, for instance, offer a piece of company ownership and the potential for impressive growth over time. Sure, there's some risk, but that's where diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you mitigate risks and enhance your growth opportunities. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's strategic. And while we're at it, don't forget about the range of opportunities that open up with technology today. There are apps and platforms that make accessing market investments easier than ever. They provide real-time insights and an ever-growing sea of information right at your fingertips. It's all about harnessing these resources and turning "I can't" into "how can I?" The objective isn't just minimal financial security. It's about thriving. It's about using your 20s as a launchpad for the decades ahead, ensuring that the habits and decisions you make now align with the prosperous future you envision. Here's something crucial to consider. Living below your means isn't just a catchy slogan. It's a backbone of building wealth. And in your 20s, when lifestyle creep is so tempting, this becomes an especially valuable mindset. The more you manage to save by resisting the urge to splurge on every new gadget or a bigger apartment, the more you can invest. It creates a cycle where your savings actively work for you, rather than sitting idly. Now, let's talk about setting clear financial goals. Without them, it's easy to get lost in the daily hustle. Consider splitting your goals into short, mid, and long-term categories. Maybe in the short term, it's setting aside an emergency fund. Mid-term could involve saving for a home, and long-term might be setting up that enviable retirement fund. Each goal requires a different strategy, but together they offer a roadmap for your financial journey. And don't underestimate the power of automating your finances. Automating savings and investments ensures consistency, your best friend in wealth building. By setting up automatic transfers, you remove the friction and temptation of holding onto your cash. It's like putting your wealth building journey on autopilot, allowing you to focus on learning and exploring more ways to diversify your portfolio. Ultimately, the trick is to view every dollar as a little employee, one that you send out into the world to earn, grow, and bring back reinforcements. Your 20s might be your foundation, but with focus and discipline, they can set the stage for a comfortable and prosperous future. But let's be real for a moment. Building wealth isn't just about numbers and bank accounts. It's also intrinsically tied to your mindset. Developing a wealth mindset is about seeing money as a tool, not the ultimate goal. It's about continuously learning and cultivating patience, resilience, and adaptability in an ever-changing financial landscape. Consider embracing the idea of earning more through side hustles. In a world brimming with possibilities, the gig economy offers avenues to bolster your income while exploring passions or new skills. These extra earnings can be directly channeled into investments, accelerating your wealth-building journey. It's the perfect synergy of passion meeting profit. Moreover, mentorship can be a game changer. Connecting with financial advisors or seasoned investors opens doors to insights and strategies that are tough to acquire on your own. They've navigated the ups and downs, and their guidance could significantly shorten your learning curve. It's like having a roadmap drawn by someone who's already reached your desired destination. And let's not ignore the importance of giving back along the way. Allocating a portion of your wealth towards causes that matter fosters a sense of community and purpose. It redefines the role of wealth as a means of positive impact, not just personal gain. Ultimately, building wealth in your 20s is about more than financial freedom. It's about crafting a life of choice and possibility. So take the plunge, lay the groundwork today, and watch as those early seeds of effort bloom into a forest of opportunity and abundance. And here's the ultimate takeaway. Building wealth in your 20s sets you on a path where you're not just reacting to opportunities, you're creating them. It's about empowering yourself to live the life you desire, free from financial stress and full of choices. Right now, you hold the power to rewrite your future story into one where financial prosperity is not an aspiration, but a reality. So why wait any longer? Start today by setting up a small investment account or dedicating just 1 hour a week to educational resources on finance. Take action and let that momentum build. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with friends who could benefit, and let's build an empowered, financially savvy community together. Remember, every significant change begins with a single step. Go out and take yours now.